Everybody, I'm just going to work through these voltage current phasors, and let me just read the question. So each of the following diagrams shows the supply voltage and the circuit current. So supply voltage and circuit current, and it's plotted against time. By drawing voltage and current phasors for time equals 0, observe the phase difference between the voltage and the current, and in each situation state what components can be in the circuit. Now, one thing to remember is if the phase difference is 90 degrees, then there's only one component. Could be a resistor, could be a capacitor, or could be an inductor, or 0. Okay, and if the phase difference is between 0 and 90 degrees, then there are two components in the circuit. So it's usually a resistor and a capacitor, or a resistor and inductor. So keeping that in mind, so let's just do the first thing. I've just color coded all these. So the current, so for the first one, I'm looking at, so this is where my time 0 is. So I'm just looking at that axis, and they're both going through 0 at the same time, peaking at the same time. So my current is the smaller one, so that's my current. And my voltage, they're both in phase. So the only component where both the current and the voltage are in phase is when you have just a resistor. Okay, the next one here is my current is going through 0. That's my red one, and that's a longer one. So there's my current. And my voltage is below the x-axis, so it's like a negative. So my voltage is here. Oops, sorry, wrong color. So voltage is there. So the only one where you have the voltage 90 degrees behind the current is when you have just a capacitor in an AC circuit. Okay. Now the next one here, you've got your current over there. But your voltage, can you see, is not 90 degrees, but it's less than 90 degrees. Okay, but it's actually lagging the current, and the only one where you have the voltage lagging the current, because it's under the, how do you know it's lagging the current? Because it's over here. So this is where it is, it's still coming up. Okay, so this one will be an RC circuit, resistor capacitor circuit. Okay. Now the next one here, you've got your current, and over there, and the voltage. When the current is 0, voltage is a maximum. So the one where the voltage leads the current by 90 degrees is an inductor only. Okay. Then this one here, I forgot to do the voltage, but never mind. So over here in this one, when the current is 0, current is a big one, your voltage is not quite 90 degrees, it's less than 90 degrees, so it's something like this. Okay, can you see the voltage is here, and that's a maximum, so it hasn't quite reached the maximum. So that one, there'll be two components every time it's less than 90, and if it's leading the current, it's an RL circuit, because an inductor voltage is ahead. Okay, and then the last one here is, okay, so it's not going through 0, but we can still do this. So current is not 0, and it's not a minimum, so maybe current is something like this, and the voltage is a minimum, like that. Now can you see voltage is lagging behind current, and it's less than 90 degrees, so this will have to be a resistor capacitor circuit. Okay, so that's how you do